Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to watch videos inside Telegram without downloading them. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's begin. Alright guys, on your mobile device, open up your Telegram app. And then on Android device users, you want to hit the three horizontal bars on the left hand side. And then you want to go down and click on the settings. And then from here, you want to click onto data and storage. And where it says automatic media download, it says here when using mobile data, go ahead and disable that. And then also when connected to Wi-Fi, go ahead and disable that now as well. So now when you watch a video inside Telegram, you won't automatically download the video to your device. Also, you can go ahead and disable when roaming as well with images. So yeah, that's it for this quick tutorial guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you thought it was helpful.